how to change the age of your Roblox account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Roblox, of course, right here, and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go on at the top right corner of the screen and then click the settings icon. So click that and then click settings. Once you click settings, if you go here on this part, you will be able to see your birthday. So currently, my birthday is set to March 1, 2005. Now, if I want to change it, all we have to do is to click this edit and then change the necessary information that you want to change. So let's say, for example, that we want to change the year to 2004. So just click that and then click continue. And then after that, once you click that, a 6-digit code will be sent into your email. So all you have to do is to just go on your email and then of course put the code that has been sent to you. So copy this and then go back into Roblox and then paste it and then click verify. And then after that, as you can see, we now have changed our birth date to March 1, 2004. Now, if this doesn't work to you, let's say for example that you are below 13 years old, the next thing that we need to do is to go on another tab and then search for Roblox support. So once you search Roblox support, just click the first link that will pop up on your screen and then you will be redirected right here in this page. So what we're going to do is to put our username, our first name, so let's put this, and then of course the email address, and then of course just put the email that is associated with your account and then confirm email address. So just do it again. And then for the issue details, let's put PC, and then for the type of help category, click this age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges and then click please select. And then after that, just click change child age. And then for the description of issue, just put that when you filled up the information of your child that you have accidentally entered or clicked the wrong year of your child. So let's say for example like this, and then just click continue. And then after that, let's verify that we are a human. And then once it is done, just check your email again. So let's go back right here. And then for the Roblox support, as you can see, Roblox have now received our request. And if you look closely right here, you will be able to see that we now have already asked for the support of Roblox. And then all we have to do is wait for the Roblox response, and then they will be able to assist us on how to change our birthday in Roblox. So that is basically it. That is how to change the age of your Roblox account.